All right, so in this video, I'm going to share with you what I think is one of, if not the most important questions that you should ask yourself before you start selling your own product on Amazon. So before I get into that, I just want to kind of paint this picture. So I get a lot of people that come to me and basically they're like, Paul, I spent $10,000 on my product for Amazon and it's not selling. Help me get this product selling well. And a lot of times I have to turn them away because they've picked a product that is just not going to work. They've developed this product, they've done everything, they spent all this money, but honestly, like, the chances of them being successful are very, very low. And so I usually tell them, like, look, I can try to help you, but the chances of being successful are very, very low. So you're probably better off just liquidating this product. And a lot of times that happens. And so if everyone would just ask themselves this one question and honestly answer this question, I hope that it will help a lot of people to kind of avoid this mistake. So here it goes. The question is this: why would someone buy this product over the other products that are on Amazon right now? I know it's such a simple question, but that's it. Whenever you are looking to sell a product on Amazon, one of the top questions on your mind should be, why would someone buy my product or the product that I want to create versus the other products that are on Amazon right now? What is going to be so good or different about my product that people are going to want to buy it? What are you going to do to make your product unique enough in some way to where someone wants to buy yours versus the competition? It sounds so simple. It's like the simplest thing ever, but I can't tell you how many times people come to me and they have this product that is very much identical to other people's products. And this is why I think it happens. I'm not sure, but I think this is why it happens. So we go to Amazon and we're looking around and we find a product and we're like, ooh, a cheese grater. Like, a cheese grater's making a lot of money. Like, this cheese grater is making, I don't know, let's see here, $60,000 a month in revenue. And did we just lose the camera again? I heard a camera go off. Don't you hate it when your battery dies while you're trying to record? Oh my gosh. Anyway, where were we? Let's see. So what I think happens is people come to Amazon and, they're searching, they're looking for keywords, they're looking for products or whatever, and they find a product and they're like, ooh, like cheese grater. This product makes $60,000 a month. I can make one of those too. And they even are saying like, ooh, like if I can get mine for $2.60, I'm going to make $20,000 a month profit. So then they like head over to Alibaba all excited and everything. And they're like, cheese grater. And they search it and they're like, ooh, I can get one for $1 or $1.30 or $1.60 or whatever. And they spend all this money and they get the product made and they're like, my cheese grater is great. And it's a little bit different than somebody else's because mine's pink or whatever it is, right? And you do your little thing and you never stop to ask yourself, why is somebody going to really buy this over my competition? What am I going to do that is going to be different, that's going to be better, that's going to be cheaper? How am I going to outmarket these people? Like, what am I going to do? So that is what I want to talk about for a couple of minutes. And I just want everyone to burn this into your mind. If you are starting a business, selling any business really, like, what are you going to do to differentiate yourself from the competition? What is your unique selling proposition is what it is called. What is the thing that is different than the rest of the people out there? And you basically only have 4 ways to do it. So number 1 is the product, the actual product you're selling. Are you going to make a cheese grater that is different than all of the other cheese graters out there? When I go to page 1 of Amazon, your cheese grater better be more unique and different than all these other cheese graters that are showing up. That's number 1, is the product. Number 2 is the place that you sell the product. Well, if you're selling on Amazon, so is a bunch of other people. So you're not going to differentiate on place. So unless you're going to go sell in some, boutique store somewhere in a cooking thing, or you have a buyer that works at Williams Sonoma, like you're not going to be unique on place. So just throw that one out there. So the third thing is your actual price. So you could say, you know what, like I own a factory and I can make cheese graters cheaper than anybody in the world, and so I can have the most value price cheese grater on Amazon, and I can win that way. So that might be a good one. And the last one is promotion. Maybe you are a better marketer than they are. You're going to have better photography. You're going to have better video. You're going to have celebrities. You're going to have The Rock, doing cheese grating or whatever it is. Like whatever you're doing, like how are you going to beat them in promotion? So, for us and our brands, we like to win on multiple ones. We like to look for stuff where we can price a little bit better than people sometimes. We like to look where there's a niche where they're not doing a good job promoting. These guys have 5,000 reviews. They're doing a pretty good job of promoting their product. You're probably going to have a hard time out marketing Cuisinart. So, probably not the niche to go in unless you have a really great idea for a new cheese grater or something like that, right? So you gotta ask yourself basically, like, what are you going to do that's going to give you a unique selling proposition? Why would somebody buy your product? Search the keywords on Amazon that you want to rank for. Search them, look at it, imagine your product is right there in the top, and say, when my product launches and it has 3 reviews, why would someone buy mine versus somebody else's? If everybody else only has 3 reviews and you have a better picture and all this stuff, then okay, maybe you could win. But if your competitor has 5,000 and 3,000 reviews and everything, what's going to be so different? Are you going to be extremely cheaper than them? Are you going to have a way different product than them? What are you going to do to compete? If you ask yourself that question and you're honest with yourself, you probably will have a much better chance. Unfortunately, a lot of your product ideas are going to get shot down. When you ask yourself that, you're going to be like, oh, this is a sucky product. But hey, better to find that out before you spend $5,000, $10,000 sourcing it than like after you have a whole, you fill up your whole garage and your storage unit full of it and you're like, oh crap, what am I going to do with all this stuff? So once again, why would someone buy your product over the rest of them on Amazon? Ask yourself that question before you source anything, and it'll lead to much happiness and less pain in the future. Let me know if you guys can help. If you're stuck with a product that you can't sell, comment in below. Maybe there's somebody who owns a wholesale store or something that wants to buy it or something like that. If you need help selecting a product or marketing a product or whatever, we're here to help you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.